Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a castle and walking tour of Bratislava. My legs will definitely not thank me after this because it's walking. It's never good on your legs unless you're like a professional athlete. This is gonna be really fun. There's tons of history in this town. Spectacular views, as you can see, and also spectacular castles like that one right there. Behind me, that's the UFO bridge, and the other side of the city, that right there is the Danube River. That runs through several countries in Europe and is, I think, the longest river in Europe. And it's pretty famous. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna see more of that, hopefully. But we're gonna do a walking tour of Bratislava. I hope you enjoy. This plush heart was made in support of children's centers for autistic and disabled and everything. It is the largest stuffed animal heart structure ever made, and it was made to support children's health. Okay, so here we have, wait a minute, there's nothing there. Why, Paladin, why? Here we see the ancient medieval playground. I hope I don't slip. I hope I don't slip, because this slide is soaking wet. Oh, good thing I got grippy shoes. Ah! Oh, God. Mom's greatest fear, caught on camera doing something fun. So this is the Roman Catholic Church of the Most Holy Trinity, according to the sign. I don't know if you can see in there. It's probably just reflections. Oh yeah. Next we are going to the Slovak Radio Building. Oh look, there's a kind of old tram.
To the list of the world's most ugly buildings, so we have to decide for ourselves. These trams are very cool. They look like they're from the old Soviet Union. This is Slovakia's White House, which serves as the official seat of the president during his term in office. The palace also serves as a location for government meetings and ceremonies with foreign officials. Originally constructed as a Rococo summer palace in 1760 for an advisor to Empress Maria Theresa, Count Anton Grasalkovich. Visitors can enter the palace only one open-door day per year, which typically occurs in June. However, you can stroll through the French-style gardens behind the palace every day from dawn to dusk.
Ha, that's cool. Never knew that. All information in this video was acquired from theculturetrip.com. You can go check them out. I may have a link in the description for that, so go down below if you want to check them out. Not sponsored or anything. We just found them useful, and if you guys are anywhere where they cover, hopefully you might find them useful too, because they were very helpful for us.
The quirky building is in the shape of an inverted pyramid. However, it was included in a list of the ugliest buildings in the world by the Telegraph in June 2017. So is it cool or is it ugly? You will have to decide for yourself when you visit Bratislava.
And now we can just... There it is. It looks cool to me.
I think it's cool.
I think it's cool.
Like almost.
Okay, so these are the collective distances of some of the cities that we've been to on this trip. Sydney, we went to the Opera House on the bridge tour, if you guys remember that video. 15,000 kilometers, almost 16,000 kilometers away there. We went to Seoul, we stopped in there. I didn't film that though. And then Beijing, 7,433. And Tokyo, 9,014. Wait. 9,142 kilometers. And then the North Pole is only 4,600. And then Berlin, we didn't go there. We're going to Prague next after Auschwitz. I've been to New York and London, but then we go to Paris soon. Lima, we went there. 11,303 kilometers. It's actually farther to Sydney from here than Lima. And Madrid, and we flew through Rome, but we're going back again now. Yeah, wow, that's cool. This is the main square of Budapest, along with that church. Oh, you can go up into the tower up there. Yeah, oh, we should totally do that. I wonder if it costs money. So yeah, small square, but it's pretty. It's very pretty. That will change the mode to pan and tilt follow. This is the opera house we traveled to last night. So we were sitting up in there to watch a concert, but I didn't film it because...
No, we were actually in the Philharmonic, which is straight ahead. The opera house is back here. We didn't go in the opera house.
I lied, sorry. Yeah.
That's where we were last night. We also have the Ritz-Carlton here. And we're headed over to the church and the UFO bridge next. The embassy.
That is the embassy of the United States of America. And we can...
Gothic Catholic Cathedral is built in its current form in 1452 and features stunning Gothic stained glass windows. 11 Hungarian rising above the roof of the cathedral's 85-meter high bell tower, which features an extraordinary 2,500 kilo heavy bell called Wiederen, which dates back to 1674.
Wow.